Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use editor menus on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store. Go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, when you type wix.com, just go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have your sites where you have all of your websites. We have the setup, home, we of course have the settings, design sites, and we have the Wix dashboard where we are at the moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use the editor menus on Wix. First of all, what you need to do is go of course to your sites and choose the site that you want, and you'll have the editor here. But we want to focus on editor menus, so what we want to do is, of course, go to the left side of the screen and find that option. So we have the Add Elements option, we have the Add Section option, we have the Pages and Menu. You want to go and click on Pages and Menu. Here, you can go and click and you have your site menus. So you can go and do whatever you want, add menus. So basically, just click Add Menu Item. And here you'll have new page. You can put a link, you can put a section, or you can put an anchor. So basically you can go and click add pages and everything, and that's basically how you can go and add menus. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.